It's a pleasure to have you here. Meet the Dyson Hushjet Compact Purifier, designed for powerful whisper quiet whole room air cleaning. Before we dive in, make sure to click the link in description below to get this air purifier at the best price in the market. This purifier is built for people who want serious air cleaning performance without the bulky size or loud fan noise. It may look compact, but it is engineered to circulate and clean the air across the entire room efficiently. The fully sealed filtration system is a huge advantage because it ensures that captured pollutants stay trapped inside the machine instead of leaking back into your space. The 360-degree electrostatic HEPA filter captures 99.97% of particles as small as 0.3 microns, including dust, pollen, and pet dander, which makes it a strong option for homes with pets or allergy concerns. On top of that, the activated carbon layer tackles cooking smells, pet odors, and even harmful gases like NO2, leaving your room smelling fresh and feeling cleaner. One of the most impressive features is how quiet it is. In sleep mode, it runs at just 24 decibels, which is about as quiet as a whisper, so it will not disturb your sleep, work, or relaxation time. The smart features add even more value. Using the MyDyson app, you can monitor air quality, set schedules, and control the unit remotely, and it also works with compatible voice services for hands-free convenience. Another major benefit is the long-lasting filter that can last up to 5 years, reducing maintenance hassle and saving money over time. In terms of downsides, the upfront price is higher than many basic purifiers, and while it is powerful for its size, very large open spaces may require a bigger model. Still, the combination of performance, quiet operation, smart control, and long filter life makes this a premium and reliable choice. Clean air is something you use every single day, so investing in quality really matters. Check the link in the description below to see the latest deal and make this smart upgrade for your home today.